Hello, my fourth graders. Welcome back. This is new chapter, chapter 9, multiply whole numbers and fractions. This chapter, we have only 4 lessons and one problem solving kind of like practice lesson. All right, so it's going to be another short lesson chapter. So probably it's easier, right? Okay, let's go ahead. All right, so this vocabulary, guys, these are the review words. Associative property of multiplication and distributive property and multiplication property of 1, which is identity property of multiplication, IPM, okay? They changed the term. All right, use a review word to complete the graphic organizer. All right, so the definition is what? The product of a number and any other counting number. So look at this. 3, 9, 15, 21. These 9, 15, 21 are what? The multiples of 3, right? And this 8, 20, 32 are what? Also multiples of 4. And 12, 36, 54 is also what? Multiple of 6. So the word is what? Multiple. Okay, I think this is too thick. All right. Move on. Match each review word to an equation. Okay, associative, when you hear associative, that's what? Yes, it's related what? Changing the, yes, the group order. Okay, so they are going to change the order of group. That's this. Distributive property is what? Delivery, right? Remember? 3 times deliver to 5 and deliver to 2, and then you need to add together. You see that? 3 times 5, 3 times 2. That's delivery, distributive. Multiplication property of 1. It doesn't, stick into my mouth because, I used to say and we used to learn what? Identity property of multiplication, right? But anyway, the same meaning, okay? So that's it. All right, let's start our new lesson. Understand multiples of unit fraction. Yes, unit fraction is easy, right? Because all you need to do is what? You have to put 1 as a denominator, and any number can be under this denominator, right? Okay, our target is to write fractions as multiples of unit fractions. That's gonna be easy. All right, so draw a model of any fraction using unit fractions. Then write an addition, addition equation to represent your model. Okay, so we'll see. I'm going to draw a model of pizza. I love pizza, When I explain this fraction, I always go for pizza. Okay, I have how many slices of pizza? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, and let's say Mr. Lee wants to have 3 slices of pizza out of what? 6. So I'm taking these 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right? And they were asking us to what? Write an addition equation, okay, using what? Unit fractions. So this is equal to what? Mr. Lee ate 1 slice out of 6 slices, okay, from 1 whole pie, right? And then he ate another 1/6 slice, and he ate another 1/6 slice. Make sense? All right, that's it. Now, how can you rewrite the equation using multiplication? Explain. Well, we know repeated addition is what? Yes, correct, multiplication. So repeated addition, how many unit fractions are repeating in here? 1, 2, 3, right? So that means what? Yep. 3 over 6 is equal to what? 1 over 6 times what? 3. Make sense? Yes. So this 3 over 6 can represent what? Yes, 3 parts that are each 1/6 of the whole. Okay? All right, so maybe I can write it for you. 3/6 represents 3 slices that are each 1/6 of the whole pie. Do you understand? All right. Let's move on. I told you this is gonna be easy one, right? Unit fraction is just like kind of first graders work, right? Any fraction can be written as a multiple of a unit fraction with a like denominator. Like denominator is what? Same denominator. Okay, the denominators, they have same number. Okay, so example, write 5/8 as a multiple of unit fraction. How many 1/8s are gonna be there? 5 times, right? Addition. Oh, that's what we need to do in here. The fraction 5/8 represents 5 parts that are each 1/8 of the whole. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times of what? Unit fraction, right? So how many 1/8s are there? 5 times, okay? And so 5/8 is equal to what? 5 times 1/8. So that card is thinking 5/8 is a multiple of 1/8. Yes. All right. Now write the fraction as a multiple of a unit fraction. All right. So we need to go for how many times of 1/3? 1/3? Yes, 2 of them. Which is what? How many unit fractions are repeating? 2 times. Make sense? Because you know this addition is equal to what? I mean, repeated addition is multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. All right, how many times? 4 times of what? 1/8. That easy, right? And 4 times of 1/8. Okay, number 3, let's go ahead. Because they were asking us to write the fraction as a multiple of a unit fraction. So let's change it. That's how many 1/5 are gonna be there? 6 times of what? 1/5. That's it. And this one, what about it? Yeah, this is what? 7 times 1/100ths. Okay? Do you understand? Please understand this is same as what? 100ths plus 100ths plus 100. How many times? 7 times. Okay? 7 times is equal to what? Repeated addition is multiplication. That easy? Alright, number 5. Write the fraction as a multiple of a unit fraction. Again? Alright, now it's gonna be easier, right? 2 times what? 1/6. Yay! This is what? 6 times 1/8. Oh, I forgot, but you know, you're supposed to pause the video and then please solve these problems by yourself. I might take about 30 seconds, I think. Okay, so please, when you finish, solve the problems, please go back, okay? Go back to this video, come back, I meant. And then you need to check your answers with mine, okay? All right, go ahead. 5 times 1/4. 3 times 1/12. This is 8 times 100ths. This is 7 times 1/10. You understand that, right? All right, 11. When a fraction is written as a multiple of a unit fraction, what is the relationship between the numerator of the fraction and the number that is multiplied by the unit fraction? They are the same. You see that? Here, look at that. The relationship. They're asking us to find out the relationship between the numerator of the fraction. Numerator is what? Let's see this number 9, okay? Numerator is what? 8 in this fraction. And fraction and the number that is multiplied by the unit fraction. Multiplied by the unit fraction. Equal, 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 right? So Yep, the answer is what? They are the same thing. Okay? Alright, now write the mixed number as a multiple of a unifraction. Okay, so this 1 whole plus, this is equal to what? 1 whole plus. This is what, like Lego block I said, right? They just attach to each other. Now we need to detach and see this 1 whole can become what? 8 over 8, right? And it can be any fraction as long as they have same numerator and denominator. So in here, in this case, this fraction is what? It's split it into 8 equal slices of pizza, right? So this 1 whole pie is what? 8 slices you have plus 1 over 8, which is what? 9 over 8. Now we need to write the mixed number as a multiple of a unifraction, which is what? 9 times what? 1 over 8. You got it? But we know easier way. What? Cross multiplication, right? So 1 times 8. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. That's what it here. So let's practice this one, number 13, same way. 3 times 5. Yes, 15 plus 4 is what? 19 over 5. This is equal to what? 19 times 1/5. Sorry. You got it? All right, let's move on. Okay, example. A juice stand worker uses 1/12 of an orange to garnish each drink. The worker has 7/12 of an orange left. How many more drinks can the worker garnish? Okay, write the fraction of orange left as a multiple of 1/12. Okay, so how many 1/12, which is unifraction? Yes, 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of what? 1/12. Okay, so 7 of 1/12. So the worker can garnish what? 7 more drinks. Okay, now let's go show and grow. A piece of rope is what? 8/5 meters long. You cut the rope into what? 1/5 meter long pieces. How many pieces do you cut? That is what? This is for fourth graders questions. All right, you can do it so easy, right? You have what? A piece of rope is what? 8 over 5. Now you need to cut by what? Yeah, 1/5. How many pieces do you cut? 8 times what? 1 over 5. So the answer is what? 8 pieces. Alright, can't believe this is our last page already. What? Okay. Number 15. A restaurant serves 4/10 of a meatloaf to 4 customers. Each customer receives the same amount of meatloaf. What fraction of the meatloaf does each customer receive? What? That easy? Okay, here. 4/10 of meatloaf. Okay, they have, and then they split it into what? 4 customers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is division, right? But still, we can play around with what? Repeated addition or multiplication. So this is same as what? 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 1. Oops. 10th. I need to erase this. 1/10. Okay? How many of them? 4 of them of what? 4 of 1/10. So how many? Okay, hold on. So what fraction? Okay, that was the question. What fraction of the meatloaf does each customer receive? 4 customers receive what? 1/10 of a meatloaf. Okay? Number 16. You use 3 3/4 pounds of trail mix to make treat bags. You put 1/4 pound of trail mix into each bag. How many treat bags do you make? All you need to do is what? find out, okay? Like here, you need to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. Is equal to what? Cross multiplication. Okay, 3 times 4 is what? 12. 12 plus 4 is 15 over 4. And you put as what? 1/4. That means what? 15 of 1/4 of bags. Okay, you need. So how many tray bags? Yeah, you need 15 tray bags. Last question. You walk from home to school and then back home again each day for 5 days. Walk from home to school, okay? So home to school. Go and then back home again each day for 5 days, okay? Altogether, you walk what? All right. 10 over 8 miles. What is the distance from your home to school? Explain. All right, it's fun because you know what? You go what? Back and forth, which means what? 2 trips, right? Per day. And for how many days? 5 days. So in total for 5 days, how many times you need to walk? 10 times, okay? So here you go. Already, you see the clue? 10, 10. That means what? You walk 10 times of what? 1 over 8 each day. That easy. That means what? The answer is 1 over 8 miles each time, okay? So every day you need to walk 1/8 to go to school and come back home another 1/8. That means what? Every day you walk 2 over 8 miles. Because you need to add what? 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 for round trip. Okay, this is the answer and it's over already. I want you to go to IXL, okay, if you are done, and practice more. And I'm going to go over with you all the questions, or if you have any questions, please put star mark on it. And your homework will be 413 and 14. Okay, see you soon. Bye.